Hey you guys, peace. EsiK the homesteader here, you guys. Alright, so you guys, I did not get to sewing any curtains today, but as you can see, I did do some ironing. I got my hems ready on both ends. And what I wanted to show you guys is sometimes I consider myself a no-pin sewer. And as the more I sew, the more I'm getting out of using the sharp pins. So I use a lot of Wonder Clips now, because as a seamstress, a tailor, whatever you want to call yourself, dressmaker, we always getting stuck with pins. So Wonder Clips are the way to go, especially if you're a beginner sewer. Wonder Clips are awesome. So what I wanted to show you guys briefly is the hemming part of the curtain. So this will be the top part of the curtain, which is going to give you your little ruffles up in here. So what I'm going to have to do is sew one hem and then come down and sew another little hem, so that I have two sections, one for the rod, and this part of the section will be the little frilly part where it gathers. So also what I want to give you guys a tip on is, if you want, you can actually just sew this down just like this. Nobody's going to see this, the rough edges. If you choose to, what you can do is iron it down neatly, and you can just fold it like so, and then sew. If you want a real clean look, more professional, you can do that as well. So all you would have to do is fold it like so. So press it if you want to make it neater. You can do that as well. So another thing I wanted to point out to you guys, a lot of times I don't cut my salvage edges, and I'm not the only one that don't cut their salvage edges. You can use those. So even if you want to double fold on this, you can do that as well, to where you don't even see the salvage edges. But like I said, nobody's going to see this hanging up. So the same thing you do up here, if you wanted to make it a little neater, you can do the same thing here. You just double fold like so. Okay, and I wanted to show you guys this down here, and this probably is a better visual. So as you can see down here, I just pressed it nice and neat. Now, like I was saying, if you want to do this up here, you could do it down here, and this is why I did this on the end, so that you guys can see how easy it is to see the rough edges, how easy it is to just roll your finger, fold it, pin it, press it. You can use the Wonder Clip, or you can use the other pins. It's real easy and simple, you guys. So as you can see down here, I didn't do any double fold. But again, if you want to do the double fold, all you have to do is get your fabric down there nice and neat, and see how nice and crisp that press is. You just double fold like that, stick your pins in or your Wonder Clips, and you can press it all the way down to make it look much neater. See how easy that is to do? And see, once you get more, if you're new at sewing, you'll be able to do this with no problem. You'll learn a lot of tricks of the trade. You'll be able to do it without even having to press. A lot of seamstress, tailors, dressmakers, they love to press, and that's good, because that's how they teach you in school. Every time you cut, every time you sew, press, open up them seams. I know about all of that. So again, that's just an easy peasy way. It'll save you time. But like I said, if you want to do the double fold is nice. And I probably will do the double fold, since I already pressed it, and it don't take nothing for me to just fold it again. I wouldn't even have to press this, because my fingers are so used to doing it, where I just double fold. Some people will serge this part and then fold. You can do that as well. So there's so many tricks of the trades, you guys. So again, a lot going on. And this right here is my balance. This is on my ironing board right now. And over here are the panels, and I already got these ready as well. So see how nice and pressed those are. So these are actually just ready to be sewn. on both sides. See that? So, I know I'm probably, oh gosh, I got a busy day tomorrow with events. So I'm going to try, but a lot of times when I come in from events, I'm exhausted. But I will definitely get y'all the footage out on how to sew these, because like I said before, curtains are very beginner friendly, and you guys saw how easy it was to cut them out, and how easy, you'll see how easy it is to sew them. And I'm excited. These are going to look so pretty. Y'all see that, how pretty that fabric is in the sheen? It's beautiful. All right, you guys. So you guys just bear with me. There's a lot going on. I had one of my oldest son get into a car accident, and he's having a very hard time right now. We thank the ancestors and the creator of the universe that no one was hurt. He was not in the wrong, but right now, being that it happened in another state, they're giving him the runaround, and he's having a pure defit. He's miserable, so that means he's making everybody else miserable, because they towed his car because they felt like he wasn't going to be able to drive his car, and the way the officers handled it on the highway was not properly handled. He never received his police report. The police department in North Carolina is giving him the runaround, and it's been very frustrating for him within the last few days, but most of all today, because he was back and forth on the phone with these people trying to get some information, and nobody's telling him anything. It's just a bad situation right now with him, because he doesn't have his car and he's so miserable. So I think most of us is looking for 2020 to be over with, because it has been rough all the way around. But there's this part of me that's saying 2021 probably ain't gonna be no better, you guys. So yeah, so I will do my best. I will get you guys a sewing video of this. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna be able to get that out tomorrow. I will do my best to do that for you guys. If not, just bear with me, you guys, okay? So this is EsiK, the homesteader, and I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I hope you guys going out there getting you some fabric and want to try this DIY, you guys. And if you're new to sewing, again, this is very beginner friendly. All right, family, so I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification button. And you guys be safe. Peace out.